Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create a low maintenance beauty routine using my unboxing stash over here and how those products rank against my current everyday favorites. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's see how they rank up. Cheers! Now first things first, I am pinning my hair back to get it out of my face, and I'm also dealing with a fresh face where I have already done my skincare routine. I have my serums on, I have my vitamin C, I have my hyaluronic acid, I have a little bit of eye cream, and then I just have some chapstick. So this is kind of where I'm starting, and I'm gonna do this side of my face with my current everyday favorites and this side with my unboxing inventory. So let's see how this goes. Now first off, I'm someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so things like a low maintenance routine really speak to me. Currently, I like to use this Elastin skincare. This is a tinted SPF. It's a mineral sunscreen, and I love the glowy finish it has. So this is kind of what I use every day for, I guess, what you would call a foundation, moisturizer, you know, just kind of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. And it is one color for everyone. It actually blends in really nicely. I'm gonna try and keep this as even as I can. And it will kind of have that dewy finish. So sometimes I will go over it with, you know, some powder. But today I'm just gonna keep it as is. And hopefully I didn't put too much in my hand. But this is kind of where I'm starting. Okay, now the rest I'll just keep. And in fact, I should probably have a napkin. Okay. Now, face is looking, whew, it's very hot in here, so I apologize. It is going to be super sweaty, but I'm gonna do my best to keep it still looking fresh and nice, even though I am completely sweating and my hair clips came out. It's hard to do this way. Okay. So that's one side of my face. On the other side of my face, I'm going to use this Ulta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. Also mineral sunscreen, also tinted. Let's see, this one is SPF 36. Okay. So this one's a little bit higher. Also put a little bit, you can see, a bit darker. Now I'm gonna put this on this side of my face. It's not gonna be weird at all to have different colors on my face. In fact, before I pick up my kids, I probably will have to even this out, or I'll just look like Two-Faced. But the nice thing about this is I can kind of see how well they do. Minus the whole sweating thing. Whoop. Okay, now I'm just doing this because of the sweat factor, but so far I'm not noticing a huge difference, but we'll see when this dries down how this looks. Okay, so I have my base on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do eyes. For my tried and true side, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Caviar eyeliner. It's in black. I'm someone who just wears black eyeliner a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and top line. Let's see. Okay, very good. And then my waterline. Okay. Let's see. And if I'm going somewhere, if it's date night or special occasion, I'll do mascara, I'll do more makeup, maybe even a foundation. But you know, just for kind of hanging around, picking up the kids, I'm not doing a lot. Okay, so that's one eye. And now on the other side, I'm going to do this Give Beauty Line It Up 24-hour gel pencil eyeliner. And Give is Gwen Stefani's line. And this is in a, it's called Settle Brown. So I couldn't find black in my inventory, but it is a darker brown. So let's see how this looks. Same kind of deal. Gonna go up here. Do my top, bottom, if I can see. Okay, top again. You know, the nice thing that I like about this is it gives your lashes the look of fullness without doing anything to your lashes. I do have pretty straight lashes, so I do need to curl them if I want to do anything with them, or at least put on a curling mascara. But in terms of how that looks, that's not terrible. Kind of like that. I just need to clean up the corner a little bit. Okay. Now I love, oh, I have to fix these guys again. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it behind my ear and see if that helps. And this guy. I think it's the sweating. I'm gonna blame everything on the sweating. Okay. So Laura Mercier, this is Nude Rose. This is the eye stick color. I love these pencils. They are so easy to apply. I really like a nice shimmery color. This is really pretty, and you can just, it's very versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead on this side and do this. Now if this was a darker color, I'd probably use my fingers, but since this is a little bit of the lighter shimmery color, I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the pencil and then blend a little bit with my fingers. This is gorgeous. Now, I will admit, I do have, let's see, this is this one. I do have eye pencils from my inventory. However, they are not in this color. In fact, they're not shimmery. I think I have a gray one or a brown one and a black one. So this is the closest I could find. This is Rodial Blush Drops that I got in one of my boxes. But the nice thing is this should be versatile enough for me to use on my eyes. Comes with this little dropper, and I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing here. Let's see how this works. Okay, not terrible. Okay, so this is super liquidy, so I'm definitely gonna wanna blend quickly. And let's see how close I can get to my other eye using these blush drops. It's gonna stay tacky for a bit, so I'm just really trying to work it in, blend it. If I'm doing a quick look, I'm usually not using tools, or maybe just one kind of brush. So I'm always happy to use my fingers. But I have to say, for blush drops, A, that blended really nicely. Let's see how it dries down. But B, you can't really tell a difference so far. Okay. Take off the sweat, keep going. I am now going to do my concealer, and for concealer I use this Jouer Essential high coverage concealer pen. I think it's in the shade, yes, it's in the shade Macaron. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit here. I did an eye cream already, so I do have kind of a nice moisturized base, which I think is important to not get it to be too creasy. But I am gonna let it sit for a bit. And once again, I do not have a concealer from my inventory, but I do have a brightening CC cream from Terry, or by Terry. It's a glowing base. It is really perfumed, but hopefully it still gives a nice glowy color. Let's see. So it's, oh, it's very liquidy. Okay. I just put one drop, and look how liquidy that is. I don't know if you can tell. It's gonna drip everywhere. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I don't know that this one's gonna work as well because it is very liquidy. So if it's this liquidy, I would probably mix it with something with a little more substance, even like maybe an eye base, so that it kind of blends in. But let's see, let's let it dry down, take a little sip. Big sip. I was thirsty. Sweating still. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. And really, when I'm doing this low maintenance look, you're using my fingers. Very clean fingers, but using them. And also very gentle, especially this under eye area. So blending it out. Okay, that doesn't look terrible. Let's see this side. Okay. This side's a little trickier because this is super liquidy. In fact, I don't know if it's just I have to, maybe if I shake it more, it won't be as liquidy. Let's see. Because this is just like pure liquid. Okay, that was a little better. I'm actually gonna start that one again. That was just liquid. And do this again. But still, it doesn't look bad. It's just a little harder to blend when it's like just liquid. I mean, you can see it's still pretty liquidy. Okay. Wipe that off, keep going. So in terms of my look, I'm almost done. I just need to do my lips, which I want to put a little something on my lips. I already started with moisturized lips. So what I like to do on this side, this is Rare Beauty. This is the Kind Words Matte Lip Liner in the shade Fun. This is Selena Gomez's line, and I love this lip liner. You can tell. So, go this side. And I'm just gonna line natural lips. Because I want a little pop of color, but nothing too crazy for the everyday look. Okay. That's half a lip. Now, I'm going to go in with Patrick Ta. You can see lip gloss, shiny, shiny. I love shiny, except for when it's from sweating. This is Major Glow Lip Shine. Does it have a color name? I have no clue if it has a color name. It's hard to tell. And she's expensive. Ooh, okay. Half my lips on this one. And that's just a nice, clear, pretty color. Kind of maybe a little tingly. I don't know. Okay. It's very weird doing half your face. But I have to say, so far, I'm not seeing a huge difference, which is nice. Okay. Now I'm going to experiment. So, in terms of lip liner or lip gloss, I didn't have a combination that I was as excited about as this. This is OG Sculpted Lip Oil. So this is going to be a crayon. So I'm going to attempt to do both with this. Let's see how that goes. And I'm just going to put a little more effort. It's actually, so it's really sheer. But then again, the Selena Gomez isn't too dark, so it doesn't look terrible. And then after, I'm just gonna color in because it's a lip oil. Okay. Pretty sure I just colored my teeth. Now once again, if it was date night, if I was going anywhere, just a lot in the sweat, then I would maybe do some bronzer, some blush, kind of different eyes, but this is just the everyday sweaty, walking around the house, dropping off the kids' looks. So you can see in terms of two different sets of products, I don't see a huge difference, which is nice. That kind of tells me when I'm running low on something, I don't have to run out and buy it. I can just kind of go to my inventory and I know how to replace it. But I actually think this turned out quite well. So yeah. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think about my low maintenance beauty look, what you think about the products I used, if you have any tips, questions, comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.